Hello, Carl from Quin, representing Q-Dek. This product is 2300. It's exactly the same product as we were using previously with a short detail gun on the upstand. With a plain PVC, we're now going to use this in the field area as a contact adhesive with the membrane, but rolled over along the full length rather than simply back on itself as we did with 2350. So this product is designed for all plain PVC membranes, reinforced, unreinforced, doesn't matter. Anything with no fleece as a PVC, this product is suitable for field and detail work. Here we go. Very, very controllable product. Nice lace web spray. And what we're now going to do is we spray it along the whole length. That could be obviously a 10-meter roll or a 20-meter roll. And now we're going to apply the adhesive along this point here. Again, very, very controllable. I can spray right up to the next membrane with no overlap. Okay, that's it done. So what we've done, we've waited a few minutes for this. It's now tacked out, it's ready to go. Obviously, because the membrane is automatically in place, it will auto roll, and you can simply just push it into place. Perfect. Now what we'll do is simply lift up the other side of the membrane, peel it back a bit further than the adhesive line was, and again apply the adhesive but to the opposite side. Opposite way on the other side, exactly the same motion, exactly the same controllability. There we go. Okay, we've waited for a couple of minutes. We can now get this. This could be a one-man or a two-man operation. Genuinely, it's normally only simply a one-man. Just fold it in, that outside, and you can roll it in. We've collected the brush to apply pressure. Complete.